Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to download the Uber app on your mobile device. As you know that Uber app is a smartphone app that connects rider with a driver on a demand. So in this I will guide you one of the easiest and step-by-step process to download the Uber app on our mobile device. So let's get started with the video. If you are in Android, then open your Play Store, but if you are in iPhone, then open your App Store. In that, search for Uber. Yeah, now you can see here Uber app is there. So now here you can see install option is there. So click on that. So wait for a moment. So now it's just asking for security purpose. After that you can see here open option, so click on that open. Now only this time. So in this way you can download that Uber app on your mobile device. So if you like this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.